Hey, this is Dr. Stan Harris, known as Dr. Breakthrough. Question: would you like to save money, make a difference, or do all three simultaneously? As a matter of fact, let me ask you another question. How would you like to retire in 10 years, or if you're a go-getter, 10 months, or if you're a super go-getter, as little as 10 weeks? That's right. Our powerful system, my friend, we have what's called the I Dare 10-10-10 Challenge. I Dare as an acronym stands for Instant, Direct, Automated, Residual Earnings. That's right, my friend. I mean, I have people that have been paid 56 times within 2 weeks with our powerful system. And you can as well. With your passion line, my friend, we're going to show you how to take your passion and produce profits. So you want to make sure you get involved ASAP. See, the most expensive thing in the world is when you miss the right opportunity. And if you do, you can end up being poor. P-O-O-R, passing over opportunities repeatedly. Hey, but when you put your information in and get started with your passion line, you can be rich, R-I-C-H, receiving insight, creating happiness, rich, raking in cash honestly, rich, raking in cash happily, rich, raking in cash hourly. As a matter of fact, rich, residual income complements happiness. So my friend, it's the start that stops most people. Don't let the start stop you. Sign in and get started right now so we can help you to make money while you make a difference.